few days ago we decided to clean our shower drain because it was draining slow. Now, I'm not proud to say it, but it did take me 5 to 10 minutes researching and looking around to figure out how to get this out, so I'm hoping that this video saves you a little bit of time. If yours is like mine, then it does not have a set screw. A lot of them will have a set screw right here, and you can just take a screwdriver, unscrew that, and it'll pop right out. Other kinds you just keep turning, and then it'll unscrew out. I figured that this would take me just a couple minutes, just twist, pull, and it would come right out. That, unfortunately, was not the case. I did twist and pull and twist for a few minutes with no luck. So I had to do a little research. For this kind, you need to remove the top, like this. Once you remove the top, then you can take a screwdriver or pliers and unscrew this main shaft right here. And that is how you take it out. So there it is. Nothing too difficult. But if you're stuck like I was, hopefully this video will save you some time. That's it for today. Good luck.